for our next assessment, we're doing the push-up endurance test. Okay, cool. So with this one, obviously, we're going to male client. Our male client is at the age of 22. So with the male client that's at the age of 22, there are specific readings to test if they are poor or excellent. So if they give me 16, that is poor, under that minute. If they give me 17 to 21, which is slightly poor. If they give me 22 to 28, it's on average. Then they give me 29 to 35, it's above average, and they give me 36 and above, which is excellent. And under that minute. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to demonstrate how they do the push-up. Okay, cool. This is how you're going to be doing the push-up. So, when we go onto the floor, hands should be in line with the shoulder, and they should be shoulder width apart. Okay, and I'm going to need a straight back. Legs should be slightly open. And then in that position, look forward, move all the way down, and push all the way up. Okay, cool. So get onto the floor. Remember, legs slightly open. Yes. Hands on the shoulder. Perfect. Shoulder open apart. Back is straight. Look forward for me. Perfect. Come. Let's see how many you can do. In a minute, I'm going to tell you where to start. I'm going to get my timer ready. Okay, you can rest for now. Looking at my timer ready with me. Okay, go. Same thing. Let's go again. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Let's see how many push-ups can you give me in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. He gave me 40 push-ups in 49.40 seconds. Well, that is excellent for his age because he's above the 36 mark.